All right, we got a good amount of orders today. Heading to the post office. I think those parts are finally coming. Maybe we'll get that WR426 back together tonight. Well, there's something wrong with the scoob. Feels like it's about to throw a belt. I'll check that in a little bit. I think them WR parts came. Oh yeah. Would have liked a little bit more support in there. A plastic bag. That's got a little damage to it. Valves look okay. But this is what I've been waiting for. Let's see what happens.
So what I'm doing here is honing the cylinder on the 426. This one is a straight hone. This will take out any taper that's in the cylinder, which there isn't much as it is. Lubricate with transmission fluid. The crosshatch on here is, you can still see it a little bit, but it'll get rid of this wear at the back, on the bottom of it. The future buyer of this bike might be watching.
I worry about that sometimes, and then I think it might help us.
Yeah, because they know it was done by a professional.
We're not trying to get it. Explain this.
It's a butthole brush. So
clean your butthole.
Yep. Okay. Put that in here. Pretty much you just the key is to keep going back and forth, because there's less than 1,000 taper in this. I'll clean it up with the ball hone. I just wanted to make like a cleanup pass on it pretty much. And this is the ball hone. That shit looks a little wild.
The butthole scrubber.
Yeah. Here, bend over. Yeah. Generous coating of transmission fluid.
Yeah. Stay away.
Yeah. It did get everywhere. It's probably all over the camera too.
Yeah, I saw it going up there.
So yeah.
Ooh.
I doubt you're going to see it, but
That's crispy.
there's like a good crosshatch in there.
Looks like you got it.
Alright, so what are you doing?
And the valve train components. This is gasoline. This is water. And this is gun cleaner. House number 9.
Nice. Slowly but surely coming back together. Will she run?
She ain't getting started tonight.
She's not gonna get started tonight. Why are you crushing my hopes and dreams?
Because I have the power.
Why'd I stay up till midnight? Just to not hear it run. Why you look so happy?
So happy.
I think you got a boot on. Show that bad boy. We ready? Hankaroo. If it fires, bud. No. Come here. Good start.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, God.
I told you things are hard to start.
Oh, God.
Sweat already.
I bet. Do it. Come on. Beautiful. We're smoking a little up front. It's probably alright. Yo, she's alive, bro. First start, baby. After hearing it, I kind of like it. Woo!
I'm as surprised as you today.
That it just ran and idled like that? Wow, that's awesome.
Mechanic.
Hell yeah, bro. I'll give you all the credit in the world on this one. Tell you what, I'm smiling from ear to ear. Thanks for watching.